welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 12 simulation training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation training without any confusion. If you need any help with MyITLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, weekly assignment, weekly quizzes, midterm exam, final exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today simulation training and go through it step by step. Now move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is search for the invoice with finance range simple template. In the template gallery, click the template thumbnail and click create. Basically in this question you will have to search an invoice template in the search bar. Invoice with finance charge simple and press enter. You can see that this is a sample of invoice. Click on this, then click on create button. Question number 1 are completed now. The invoice are generated. Now move to the next question, question number 2. Question number 2 is type Valminia total lawn care in cell B2. Simply you will have to type the same text in cell B2. The next part is type every lawn needs TLC in cell B3. Formatting additional text and renaming the worksheet will auto complete. In cell B3 you will have to type the same text that are given in the question. Every lawn needs TLC. The next part is delete the values in the range D6 to D10. D6 to select the range D6 to D10 and then click on delete button to delete these values. On the customer invoice worksheet, insert a column before column A. Column width and border formatting will auto complete. First we right click on this column, then insert. We have inserted a new column. The next question is select the range B2 to F24. First we select the range B2 to F24. And the next range is C27 to D28. C27 to D28. First we select this range, click the data tab and then click the data validation arrow in the data tools group. You will go to the data tools group, click on this data validation, then click OK. In the tools group, and then select data validation, click OK. When the warning messages appear, click the input message tab, click clear all, and then click OK. Then you will go to the input message, clear all, and then click OK. Click on clear all button, then click OK. Question number 2 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is save the file to the documents folder as an Excel template using the default file name, last name exp25 Excel chapter 12 HOE invoice. First you will go to the file tab, then click on save as, and click on browse, then save this file in the documents folder. Excel template, save. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 4. If you are not able to do this simulation training, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. Question number 4 is in the last name exp25 Excel chapter 12 HOE invoice file, run the document inspector. First you will go to the file tab, click on file tab, then click on info, then check for issues, click on this, then inspect. In the document inspector dialog box, remove all document properties and personal information and header and footer information. Close the document inspector and close backstage. Document properties, remove all, and footer. You click on this, remove all, and close the document inspector, close. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is that click the review tab and then click check accessibility in the accessibility group. We will go to the developer tab, then go to the review tab and click on this check accessibility, click on this, and the next part is select use of merge cell in the inspection results section of the accessibility assistant. Review the accessibility drop box are opened on right side of the worksheet. Click on this use of merge cell and click the merge cell prompt in the accessibility assistant, unmerge the cell. Click on this, close the accessibility pane, click on this cross button, close, apply align left to cell C2, click on the cell C2, then you will go to the home tab, then go to the alignment section and left align, type due on in cell D13. You will go to the cell D13 and type due on cell T13 and remove the default text due on in cell D13. Question number 5 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 6. Question number 6 is that check the workbook for compatibility issues. Close the dialog box. Check the workbook for compatibility issues. Close the dialog box. And click on check the accessibility. Click on file and go to the info tab, then check for issues, check accessibility issues. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is in cell C13 add the comment enter business or residential, no period. Basically in this question you will go to the cell C13 and add a comment enter business residential. In cell C13 add the comment then go to the review tab, then go in the comments section, click on new comment and type enter business or residential. Enter business or residential, then press OK. In cell E3 add the comment insert date. In cell E3 click on this new comment insert date, and the next is in cell E6 add the comment use the custom area function to calculate lot area. First you will have to select the cell E6, then you will go to the review tab, click on new comment, then write a comment, use the custom area function to calculate lot area. To calculate area, then click on this button then click on this. The next part is in cell E13 add the comment business jobs are due in 30 days, all others due open recipient. In cell E13 then select cell E13, click on new comment, then type text business jobs are due in 30 days, all others due upon recipient. Then click on this button. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is click cell E3 and click delete in the comments group. First you will have to select the cell E3, then go to the review tab, then click on delete button. The next part is click cell E13 and click edit in the comment box. Select the text and type business jobs are due in 30 days, all others are due upon recipient. First we select the cell E13, then add comment, click on this edit section. Business jobs are due in 30 days, all other days. Then press OK. Question number 8 are completed now. We have now completed 8 questions of this simulation training. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, weekly assignment, weekly quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or a complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.